Welcome back, friends. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of programming. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, we will be discussing an essential aspect of programming: how to think like a programmer. So, grab your thinking caps and let's get started. So, what does it mean to think like a programmer? It's all about developing a logical and systematic approach to problem solving. Programmers don't just write code, they also analyze problems, break them down into smaller parts, and come up with efficient solutions. Let's explore some key strategies to help you think like a programmer. Breaking down the problem. The first step is breaking down the problem into manageable pieces. Instead of tackling the entire challenge at once, break it down into smaller tasks or subproblems. This allows you to focus on one aspect at a time and find specific solutions. It's like solving a puzzle by putting together individual pieces before completing the whole picture. By breaking down complex problems, you can identify patterns, dependencies, and relationships between different components. This analysis will help you devise an effective plan to solve the problem. Understanding requirements. Once you have the problem broken down, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the requirements. Don't rush into coding without a clear understanding of what needs to be achieved. Take the time to ask questions, gather information, and clarify any ambiguities. By understanding the problem deeply, you can avoid unnecessary rework and ensure that your solution meets the intended goals. Remember, good communication and asking the right questions are key skills for any programmer. Third is using abstraction. Abstraction is a powerful concept in programming. It involves focusing on the essential details while ignoring the irrelevant ones. Just as an artist simplifies complex scenes into basic shapes, programmers break down problems into manageable components. By abstracting away unnecessary details, you can create general solutions that are adaptable and reusable. This approach not only saves time but also enhances the readability and maintainability of your code. Before diving into coding, it's crucial to plan your solution. Planning involves thinking through the problem, considering different approaches, and designing a logical structure for your code. One technique commonly used by programmers is pseudocode. Pseudocode is a high-level description of your solution using plain language or simple code-like syntax. It helps you outline the steps and logic required to solve the problem without getting lost in the details of a specific programming language. Planning and pseudocode save you time and prevent unnecessary mistakes during implementation. Debugging and iteration. Debugging is an integral part of programming. You can't always get everything right on the first try. Be prepared to encounter bugs and errors in your code. When faced with issues, approach them with a systematic and analytical mindset. Start by isolating the problem, examining relevant code sections, and using debugging tools available in your programming environment. Debugging requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Remember, every bug you fix makes you a better programmer. If you like our video, then simply like